Today, we're exploring a selection of essential and innovative tools designed to enhance your craftsmanship. Discover the must-have Makita shredder and other game-changing gadgets. The Milwaukee Band Saw is a premium tool crafted for professionals who demand top performance. It runs on Milwaukee's M18 battery system, delivering consistent and long-lasting power. With the included 5Ah battery, it can handle over 100 cuts per charge, providing stable and efficient operation. Weighing only 3.5 kilograms, its compact design makes it easy to handle in tight spaces, ideal for extended use. Powered by the robust power-state motor, it offers high speed and durability. The 90 centimeters band ensures precise, stable cuts across materials like metal, plastic, and wood. A built-in LED light enhances visibility, while its cooling system prevents overheating, ensuring both efficiency and extended tool life. The Worx electric screwdriver features a fantastic semi-automatic bit-changing system that lets you switch to the next bit in just seconds by sliding a switch. It comes with 6 different bits, conveniently stored in a unique cartridge within the screwdriver for easy access. It can hold a charge for up to 18 months, so even after sitting in a drawer for a long time, it'll be ready to use. Another great feature is the screw holder, which allows for one-handed use without dropping screws, perfect for working on ladders or in tight spaces. If you're after a dependable, convenient, and versatile tool, the Worx 4V electric screwdriver is an excellent choice. The CAMO Lever is an innovative tool crafted for precise alignment and secure fixation of boards during deck installation. Its unique design allows for quick adjustments, holding boards firmly in place and significantly speeding up the process. With a simple turn of the handle, the tool ensures a tight, uniform fit. Versatile and suitable for various wood types, it provides stable alignment for each board. Its compact size and ergonomic handle make it easy to use, even in hard-to-reach areas, making the CAMO Lever essential for achieving flawless results in wooden construction projects. This tool is designed for deburring and creating smooth chamfers, making it invaluable for both professional craftsmen and DIY enthusiasts. It allows for quick repairs of damaged bolts and secure nut fittings with ease. Compatible with electric drills, it performs best at low speeds, ensuring effective deburring without damaging the material or causing sparks or burns. With an adjustable drill speed ranging from 0 to 400 revolutions per minute, it offers precise control throughout the process. Its versatility extends to various materials, including stainless and hardened steel, mild steel, copper, brass, aluminum, fiberglass, wood, and plastic. The tool's adjustable design allows chamfering from 3 mm to 19 mm, providing clean, accurate results. This broad diameter range makes it a must-have for any project requiring quick and neat chamfering. This 2500-watt electric shredder delivers impressive efficiency and performance, allowing you to process up to 4 cubic meters of garden waste per hour with ease. Equipped with durable steel blades, it swiftly cuts through branches, leaves, and other materials, ensuring fast and reliable results. Its compact size of 50x48x78 cm and lightweight design of 14 kilograms make it easy to transport and store. The shredder features a spacious collection compartment for recycled materials, reducing the need for frequent stops to empty the bin. A standout feature of the Makita UD 2500 is its automatic overload shutoff system, which enhances safety and protects the device from damage during operation. Klein Tools provides an essential solution for fast, efficient cable installation, designed with electricians and installers in mind. It simplifies tasks of all complexities, offering a reliable and user-friendly tool. Strong magnets securely hold wires, making pulling quick and efficient. Smooth rolling wheels are designed to prevent marks or damage on finished walls, ensuring a clean, professional result. The 180-degree rotating handle with an ergonomic grip enables easy maneuvering and control, reducing fatigue during lengthy jobs. Additionally, markers on all 4 sides make locating metal elements within walls effortless. The Ryobi 1 Plus cordless bolt cutters are engineered for efficiently cutting through metal components like bars, chains, and bolts, making them essential for construction, repair, and demolition tasks. This tool comes with a 2.0 amp-hour battery and charger, offering extended, uninterrupted usage. Featuring the 1 Plus battery system, it operates wirelessly for maximum mobility. The powerful jaws and high torque ensure easy cutting of bolts up to 3/8 inches thick. Designed with user comfort in mind, its ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue, while an integrated safety switch prevents accidental activation. The Nemo AG50M V2 is a top-tier angle grinder built for challenging underwater applications. Powered by a robust 6Ah battery, it offers extended runtime without frequent recharging. Its cordless design ensures unrestricted mobility, making it ideal for confined spaces. With a rugged, ergonomically crafted body, this grinder is corrosion-resistant and can endure prolonged immersion up to 50 meters. The Nemo AG50M V2 allows you to efficiently sand and finish a variety of surfaces underwater, delivering high-quality results with ease. The Intertwist Cordless Screwdriver is an essential tool for every craftsman. Compact at just 11 inches long and weighing about a pound, it delivers impressive power with its 8-volt motor, providing a maximum torque of 10 nanometers. This makes it perfect for a variety of tasks, from driving screws to drilling into wood, plastic, and thin metal. With 21 torque settings plus a drilling mode, it allows you to choose the optimal setting to avoid material damage or screw stripping. Operating at 230 revolutions per minute, it's ideal for most basic jobs. Powered by a 1500 mAh lithium-ion battery, it can drive up to 300 M4 screws on a single charge, ensuring reliable performance. The adjustable handle lets you switch between linear and pistol grip for comfort, while an integrated LED light keeps your workspace illuminated. The set includes 82 accessories, such as various bits, an extension, and a magnetic holder, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. The Rigid Professional Press tool set is essential for professionals working in engineering systems and pipeline installations. This complete kit includes the press tool, 4 nozzles for pipe sizes from 1/2 inch to 2 inches, a charger, and a powerful 18V battery, all securely organized in a rugged case. Compatible with all standard rigid compression accessories, the tool features a durable, brushless motor engineered for over 100,000 crimping cycles, offering dependable performance. With a 360-degree swivel head, it easily reaches tight and hard-to-access areas. The bright LED light enhances visibility, while the intuitive control interface, featuring color-coded buttons, makes operation simple. Additionally, Bluetooth functionality enables remote operation through a smartphone or tablet, adding a convenient high-tech edge. The electric stair lift is a powerful solution for transporting heavy loads up and down stairs with ease. With a capacity of up to 200 kilograms, it's perfect for moving furniture, appliances, and other large items. Its durable aluminum frame ensures long-lasting strength for demanding use. The foldable handle allows for easy transportation and compact storage. Equipped with a dependable wheel brake system, the stair lift ensures safe use by preventing slips on various surfaces. Its electric drive offers smooth, efficient lifting, reducing physical strain and maintaining reliable performance, even at full capacity, making it ideal for both professional and home use. The Gardena 100 feet wall-mounted hose reel offers a seamless solution for garden watering. With its automatic rewinding feature, you can give the hose a gentle tug after use and it retracts smoothly and neatly. The reel can rotate 180 degrees, allowing you to water in any direction without tangling the hose. Once finished, simply swivel it back against the wall to save space. For added security, the reel can be locked to its wall bracket using a standard padlock. Built to withstand harsh conditions, the system is UV and frost-resistant, making it perfect for year-round use. The package includes a wall bracket, connecting hose, all necessary fittings, and a sprayer, making it a reliable and convenient watering solution. The Ryobi compact cutoff machine is a fantastically versatile and effective tool, capable of reducing through substances, which include metal, plastic, tile, pipe, drywall, cement board, PVC, and even vinyl siding. Its compact, lightweight design permits for easy one-pass operation, making it ideal for short and clean responsibilities. Featuring a brushless motor, this device offers advanced performance with longer runtime, extra energy, and better efficiency as compared to traditional motors. With speeds of up to 20,000 revolutions per minute, it provides speedy, smooth cuts throughout diverse substances. As part of the Ryobi One Plus gadget, it shares batteries with different tools within the lineup, making it a treasured addition in your series. The Plattenträger panel carrier is designed for effortlessly transporting large sheets of plywood, chipboard, or other panel materials weighing up to 75 kilograms. Its rubber-coated sliding clamps securely grip the panel without causing scratches or damage. Weighing just 750 grams, it's lightweight and adds minimal extra weight, making it easy to carry. This tool not only simplifies transportation, but also enhances safety by preventing panels from slipping out of your grip. If you frequently work with large sheets, the panel carrier is an essential tool that improves efficiency and ensures a safer working experience. The Paint Shaver Pro is a high-performance power tool crafted to efficiently strip multiple paint layers in a single pass. Its standout feature is the built-in vacuum seal, which collects all removed paint for easy disposal, eliminating the need for chemical solvents. The Paint Shaver Pro is versatile and can handle any type of paint, including lead-based paint. Equipped with a HEPA filter, the vacuum system ensures the safe removal of hazardous materials, protecting both the user and the environment. The tool has an adjustable cutting depth, making it capable of handling paint of any thickness. It also includes overload protection and a soft start feature for safer, more comfortable operation. With durable tungsten carbide blades that can cover up to 400 square feet, and optional diamond blades for removing paint from flat concrete and fiberglass surfaces. This tool is adaptable to various tasks. Imagine needing to free a stuck SUV or move a heavy log through the woods. The super handy winch is built for the task. It can pull up to 1,000 pounds on a single rope or double the capacity to 2,000 pounds with a dual rope setup. Fully electric and battery powered, this winch is both compact and portable, making it ideal for outdoor activities like hunting, forestry, or construction work. If the battery runs low, a quick swap keeps you going without interruptions. It features a convenient instant start button and a leak-proof battery, ensuring reliability and versatility for all your heavy-duty needs. The Skill Compact Multi-Cutter is the ideal tool for effortlessly cutting through materials like cardboard, carpet, leather, and vinyl up to 6 mm thick. It's equipped with a 40 mm blade that remains sharp for clean, precise cuts. Beyond cutting performance, Skill emphasizes user comfort, featuring a lightweight and compact design paired with an ergonomic handle for prolonged use. A power lock mechanism ensures safety by preventing accidental startups. With a blade speed of 300 revolutions per minute, it's perfect for tackling most everyday materials. Compatible with all Skill 12V batteries, this versatile tool provides convenience and reliability for all your cutting needs.